In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your business expenses by entering bills, keeping track of due dates and payments, and utilizing the Pay Bills feature to handle them efficiently. If you're ready to streamline your financial management and ensure that all your payments are made on time, let's dive in. To begin with, let's talk about entering bills. This is an essential step in accounting that helps you keep accurate records of all your expenses. What you need to do first is access your accounting software and navigate to the plus new button on your dashboard. It's usually positioned quite prominently to help users find it with ease. Once you've clicked on that, look for the option labeled Bill. By selecting this, you're taking the first step toward recording an expense you owe to a vendor or supplier. The bill form will then appear, allowing you to input all relevant details about the bill, such as the vendor's name, the date the bill was issued, the due date, and, of course, the total amount due. As you fill in these details, be meticulous and ensure accuracy. This information is crucial for maintaining your financial records correctly and can be invaluable come tax season or during audits. Complete each field, taking the time to double-check each entry to avoid any discrepancies later on. With your bills entered, it's essential to track their due dates and payments. This step ensures that you don't miss any payments, helping you avoid late fees and maintaining healthy vendor relationships. Most accounting software systems have an inbuilt feature that will allow you to monitor these due dates. Set reminders using the software or even use your calendar app to alert you a few days before a payment is due. This proactive approach gives you ample time to gather the necessary funds or contact the vendor if there might be any issues, preventing any last-minute scrambles or late payment inconveniences. Now, let's move on to using the Pay Bills feature, a pivotal part of managing your cash flow effectively. Navigate to the Pay Bills section of your accounting software. This function streamlines the payment process by consolidating all your due payments in one place. Here, you will see a list of outstanding bills, each with corresponding due dates and amounts, so you can prioritize which ones need immediate attention. Simply select the bills you wish to pay, check their details again for accuracy, and initiate the payment process directly through the software, or make a note if you plan to pay via another method. This systematic approach minimizes the chances of missed payments and helps you keep track of which bills have been settled. And there you have it. By entering bills promptly, diligently tracking due dates and payments, and making use of the Pay Bills feature, you'll ensure that your business's financial health stays in great shape.